Have you ever wondered why some tractor owners fill their tires with water instead of just air? Well, folks, what I'm about to tell you might completely change how you think about tractor maintenance forever. Most people think tractor tires should only be filled with air, but there's a secret that experienced farmers have been using for decades. And if you stick around until the end of this video, I'll reveal exactly why this practice could be the difference between a stable, efficient tractor and one that struggles in the field. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we're diving deep into farming secrets today. Now, before we get into the shocking reasons, let me ask you this. Have you ever seen a tractor tip forward when lifting heavy loads? Or maybe you've watched a tractor struggle for traction in muddy conditions? Well, the answer to both of these problems might be sitting right there in the tires. The practice of filling tractor tires with water is actually more common than you might think. It's prevalent in agricultural tractors used for plowing, planting, and harvesting. But here's where it gets interesting. It's not just limited to farm work. Industrial tractors involved in material handling and construction also use this technique. So why would anyone want to put water in their tires? The primary reason is improving stability and traction. When you add water to tractor tires, you're essentially adding weight to the machine. This extra weight does something crucial. It lowers the tractor's center of gravity. Think about it like this. A heavier, lower center of gravity means your tractor is much less likely to tip over, especially when you're working on uneven terrain. But that's not all. The increased weight also contributes to better traction. More weight means better grip, which prevents slippage, especially in challenging conditions like muddy or slippery surfaces. Now, here's something that might surprise you. One of the key benefits of water-filled tires is the counterbalance they provide. This becomes especially important for tractors equipped with front-end loaders. These loaders can create a serious imbalance, and water-filled tires help offset this weight. Without this counterbalance, there's a real risk of the tractor tipping forward when lifting heavy loads. Water-filled tires actually help reduce soil compaction. How? They distribute the weight more evenly over the tire's footprint. This minimizes the impact on the soil, which is absolutely crucial for maintaining soil structure and fertility in agricultural settings. Your crops will thank you for this. The practice isn't limited to just agricultural tractors either. Industrial and forestry tractors benefit from this technique as well. In industrial settings, water-filled tires aid in material handling and improve stability during loading and unloading operations. In forestry applications, where off-road capabilities are absolutely vital, water-filled tires help tractors navigate challenging terrains that would otherwise be impossible. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds expensive. But here's the beautiful part. Filling tires with water is actually a cost-effective way to add weight to your tractor. Water is readily available and much less expensive than alternative ballast materials. It's not just water that you can use. Some tractors use other substances like calcium chloride or antifreeze solutions for additional weight, especially in cold climates. Antifreeze solutions, such as ethylene glycol, are employed for their anti-freezing properties and weight. Brine solutions, that's a mixture of water and salt, offer additional weight and some anti-freezing benefits. Here's something environmentally conscious farmers love. Beet juice mixed with water has gained popularity as an environmentally friendly alternative, providing weight and anti-corrosive properties. For those looking for a more permanent solution, polyurethane foam can be injected into tires, offering stability without the risk of fluid leakage. Methanol, with its lower freezing point, is occasionally used as a ballast fluid to provide added weight. The choice of ballast fluid depends on several factors: climate, application, cost, and environmental considerations. It's essential to adhere to the manufacturer's recommendations and guidelines to ensure compatibility with your tractor specifications and tire construction. Now, before you run out and start filling your tires with water, let me tell you about the downsides. Because yes, there are some things you need to consider. One major concern is corrosion. Water can contribute to rusting of rims and other metal components within the tire, potentially leading to increased maintenance costs. Nobody wants to deal with rusty rims, trust me. Freezing is another issue with water-filled tires in cold climates. This is why many farmers in northern regions use alternative ballast fluids like calcium chloride or anti-freeze solutions instead of plain water. Repairing a fluid-filled tire can be more challenging than fixing a standard air-filled tire. There's definitely a risk of difficulty in tire repair that you need to factor in. The increased weight from fluids can also result in higher rolling resistance, leading to reduced fuel efficiency, especially on hard surfaces. Additionally, there's an environmental impact to consider. Spills of certain ballast fluids may harm the surrounding environment, so proper handling is crucial. To mitigate these downsides, careful consideration of your tractor's specific requirements, intended application, and environmental conditions is necessary. Regular maintenance and proper handling of fluids can help extend tire life and minimize potential issues. But what if you don't want to fill your tires with fluids? Are there alternatives? Absolutely. The use of ballast in front or on the back of tractors serves as an alternative to water-filled tires and plays a pivotal role in optimizing tractor performance. That big box you may have noticed in front of a tractor? That's likely a ballast box, strategically designed to add weight to the front of the tractor. This becomes particularly important during various tasks, where heavy implements or uneven terrain pose a risk of the rear wheels losing contact with the ground. The primary function of ballast is to prevent this by providing extra weight, ensuring that all four wheels stay firmly on the ground. Determining the appropriate amount of weight to add depends on various factors. Consulting your tractor's manual, considering the type of job being done, understanding the need for weight distribution between front and back, and accounting for factors like soil surface, implement type, travel speed, and tire size. While not all tractors necessarily need ballast weights, their necessity varies based on factors like task intensity, terrain characteristics, and implement weight. Tractors engaged in heavy-duty tasks, operating on slopes, or pulling large implements benefit significantly from ballast to ensure stability and prevent tipping. The manufacturer's recommendations provided in your tractor's manual are crucial for determining the optimal ballasting strategy based on design, intended use, and safety considerations. So there you have it, folks. The secret behind why some tractor owners fill their tires with water isn't really a secret at all. It's smart engineering and practical farming wisdom passed down through generations. Whether you choose water-filled tires, alternative ballast fluids, or external ballast boxes, the goal remains the same: improving stability, traction, and overall performance of your tractor. Remember, every modification you make to your tractor should be done with safety and efficiency in mind. Always consult your manufacturer's guidelines and consider your specific operating conditions before making any changes. If you found this information valuable and want to learn more farming secrets and tractor tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're constantly sharing practical knowledge that can help you get the most out of your equipment and improve your farming operations. As they say in farming, the best fertilizer is the farmer's footsteps. And the same goes for tractor maintenance. The more you understand your equipment, the better it will serve you in the field.